going to learn about approaches to research. The agenda is different approaches to research and significance in doing research. There are two basic approaches to research methodology. They are quantitative and qualitative approaches. Quantitative approach is generating data in quantitative form. It is again subcategorized into three subdivisions. Number one, inferential approach. Number two, experimental approach. Number three, simulation approach. Inferential approach. It means this approach tries to infer the characteristics or relationship of the population. The samples are studied and the results are matched with the population. Survey method is used in this approach. Next comes experimental approach. In this approach, there exists a greater control over the research environment. Here, variables are manipulated to observe effect on each other. Finally, simulation approach. In this approach, the researcher constructs an artificial environment to generate data. It is done to observe the dynamic behavior in a controlled conditions. It is very useful to build a predictive model. The second type of approach to research methodology is qualitative approach. It generates results in a non-quantitative form. It is done for subjective assessment of attributes, opinions, and behaviors. Focus group interview, in-depth interview, etc. are some of the techniques used in this type of approach. What is the significance in doing research? It promotes development of logical thinking. It helps to solve operational problems. It aids economical policies. It helps to devise alternative policies. It helps to examine the impacts of alternatives. It helps to facilitate decision making, both logical and scientific. It also helps the market analysis to improve the business. It supports the forecasting and the social scientist to study the social relationship between the variables. It also satisfies the intellectual satisfaction. In the upcoming videos, we shall learn about scientific method and research methodology. Hope this video is beneficial for you. We shall meet in the next video. Thank you and happy learning.